inline elements, another one is like block level elements. Okay, now let me write some code here. See this. Let me write some code. Greater than, less than. Okay, what we can say? Inside some text is there. It's a open element. See, I'm going to write like a span. Such. Okay, this is the open element. This is the closing element. Inside this one, whatever you written, that is like a content. That is like a content. See the structure. Open element and closing element and content. And content. Okay, now the element name is what? The element name is what? Come on. The element name is what? Span. Span. The element name is a span. Now I have one more element is there. Okay. I have one more element is there. Okay. I have one more element is there. I have one more element is there. See, my content is like same. My content is like same. Okay. Total how many lines of code I written? Come on. In my hello.html, total how many lines of code I written? Okay. 8 lines of code I written. 8 lines of code I written. Now see this. Okay. First line, span element. Another one is like div element. B, H4 element. I, P, H1, H6. Multiple elements I written. Multiple elements I written. Okay. Element structure is what? Open element, closing element. In between some content is there. In between some content is there. All are okay. Now, if I refresh this one, okay, then what happened? Whatever the content you written here, that content is going to place in the elements tab or not? Yes or no? In which section? In the elements tab, where it is going to place? Whatever the content you written in the page, that is placed inside where? Inside the body or not? Inside the body or not? Can I refresh? Can I refresh? Now see this. Whatever the content you written here, whatever the code you written, that code placed inside the here only you can see here. Here you can see now. Okay. Now, if you observe here, this is my content loaded inside the browser. That content related code, can I say this one? Yes, I know. Yes or no? Just reverse. Whatever the content rendered inside the browser, that content related code, where it is going to place? Inside the body tag or not? Yes or no? Come on. Okay, if I delete the body, now see this. If I delete the body, nothing is. Okay, if I do Control Z, now my body also visible, my content also visible or not. So what I can say, whatever the content rendered inside the browser, that content related code, where it is going to place? Inside the body or not? Agreed with me, everyone? Whatever the content is visible to the end user, that content related code we can see in the body tag or not? Perfect. Now, my question is very simple. If you observe, the content is what? Sachin. Sachin is like same. But if you see in the browser, okay, is it visible like same? My Sachin is visible, same format. Tell me. It is not visible like in the same format or not. Okay, here Sachin is okay, here Sachin is okay, here something different, here some gap is there, here something like italic, here big, okay, here like this. Yes or no? My content is like rendered in different formats or not? Why they render different formats? Why? Because my content placed in different elements or not? Each and every element has their own behavior or not? Yes or no? Each and every element has their own behavior or not? Based on that behavior only, the content rendered inside the browser or not? All are agreed with me? All are agreed with me? Yes or no? All are agreed? Okay. Okay then. Perfect. Now see, hierarchy wise, if you observe, which one is the root element? Come on, hierarchy. HTML is the root element. HTML is the root element. inside that one head is there, inside that one body is there, inside the body there has multiple elements, inside the body there has multiple elements are there or not there, inside the body there has multiple elements there or not there, yes or no? Who is the parent for my span, hierarchy wise? Body. Okay, who is the parent for my div? Body. Span and div, what we can say? We can say like a siblings or not, we can say like a siblings or not. Agreed with me, everyone? Okay, then now see, this is the parent, right? This is the parent, right? This is the parent, right? Okay, here observe one tool tip you can find here. See this one tool tip you can find. Okay, put my cursor on my body. What is the tool tip? Come on, the name of the element body, there has 1333, okay, cross 261. Are you able to see, everyone? One tool tip, are you able to see or not? If I remove the cursor, nothing. If I put my cursor on my body, you can see one tool tip there or not. Okay, what is 1333? What is 261? 261, that is the width and height of my body, width and height of my body tag or not? Yes or no? Meta tags is nothing but it tells something about your pace. It tells something about your pace. Okay, I will discuss. Okay, focus on this one. Okay, first one is like a width, the second one is like a height. Okay, so my body, okay, so my body, okay, width is how much in this case? 1333. Height I don't want to consider for now. Okay, perfect. Inside is the, come on, inside the body which element is there? Span. Okay, so inside the body I have one element is there, span. Okay, now can I put the cursor on my span? See this. If I put the cursor on my span, there has something highlighted in my browser, in my window, something highlighted. Okay, at the same time you can see the tooltip. What is the width? What is the width? 43 is my width or not? So only the first one only I want to consider. 43 is my width. The next one, next element is what? Div. Can I put the cursor on my div? What is the width? What is the width? 1333. Only width I want to take it. 1333. Okay, the next one is what? B. What is the width? 46. B. The width is like what? 46. The next element is what? H4. What is the width? H4. Highlighted part. 1333. H4. H4. 1333 is my width or not? The next one is what? I. 43. I. 43. Okay, the next para. 1333. Para. 1333. The next element is what? Para. H1. Okay, H1. After para, H1. 1333. H1 also 1333. 1333. The next one is what? The next one, H6. H6 also 1333. H6 also 1333. Okay. My question is very simple. All these elements inside the body or not? Who is the parent for all these elements? Who is the parent for all these elements? Body. Who is the parent? Body or not? My question is very simple. Okay, which elements, that means which children takes parent width as their own width? Which elements takes the parent width as its own width? My parent width is like 1333. Which elements take? Okay, my div taken, yes or no? My div taken. The next, my H4 taken. Next, my para taken, and my H1 taken, and my H6 taken. Now you can conclude one statement. The elements which take the parent width as its own width, the elements which take the parent width as its own width, that type of elements, what we can say? Block level elements. Got my point? The elements which take by parent width as its own width, that type of elements, what we can say? Block level elements or not? Got my point? Okay, if you come to my span, observe here, is it take like parent width, it's take just content width, SACHIN. Okay, 6 characters, how much width is there? That much width only, see highlighted or not? Yes or no? Come on. Okay, now you can conclude the element which take the content width as its own width. Only the content, how much is there? That much width only it's taken. The element which takes the content width as its own width. That type of elements, what we can say, inline elements or not. Now, can you tell me some inline elements? Okay, span, B, italic, some other also there. Those are the inline elements or not. All are agreed with me? Okay. Now, my W3C people introduced multiple elements. We can categorize, we divided like, okay, 2 types. One is like inline elements, another one is like block level elements or not. Okay, which elements we can say like inline elements? The elements which take content width as its own width. That type of elements we can say like inline elements. Tell me some inline elements now. Span, one inline element. Bold, one inline element. Italic, one inline element or not. Tell me some block level elements, what you know. Tell me some block level elements, what you know. Okay, div is one block level element. Para is one block level element. H1 is one block level element. H2 one block level header tags. H1 to H6 all are like block level elements only or not. All are okay. I should write what is inline and what is block level. Okay. Now my next level discussion is like, okay, still my question same. Why this element is behaving like this? Why my search is looks like? Why not this one? Why this search is looks like with some gap? Why not this one? Why my each and every element behaving like that? Okay, you said like each and every element's behavior. Okay, each and every elements has their own behavior. That's the reason my search is like visible in different formats. My question is why my elements are behaving like that? That is my question. Okay, why my span is behaving like this? Why my div is behaving like this? Why my H1 is behaving like this? Why my bold is behaving like this? Why my italic is behaving like this? Got my point? That is our next level discussion. Okay, we'll continue these things in tomorrow's class. So, okay, can you complete this spot? Okay, you go to our website, purejavakit.com. In the HTML section, okay, this one complete section. Can you come to the next class? First 3, can you complete? First 3 topics. Okay, go to this website, go to HTML, first complete these 3 topics. Okay, this topic is not yet done. Okay, tomorrow I will tell, but read and come. Okay, not only this one. Okay, go to Google. Okay, just type HTML. Just read that content also. You can easily understand. Okay, got point. Okay, for now don't go with the another Google or something. For now just go to this one. After 1 or 2 days, okay, you can go to remaining websites also. Just go through that website, you only come to know. All are okay? Any questions, anyone have any questions? If you're not, just you can drop. Okay, if you have, just let me know. Okay, you can unmute and you can talk. If you don't have any questions,
sir, time change చేస్తావా కదా, డేట్ కాకుండా?
second, no,
time
no, this is exactly 8 to 9.
Okay sir.
సార్ ఈ కోర్స్ కి ఆన్లైన్ లో సర్టిఫికేట్ ప్రొవైడ్ చేస్తారు సార్?
If you ask, then that time they will provide you like a course completion certificate on narration title letterhead, I guess. I'm not sure about that one, but there is no use.
Okay sir.
Video break out, much like there is some glitch in the voice.
Video.
I
Okay.
got your video, but your audio is cutting. We are unable to hear you.
like audio and video
Okay. Okay. If you face some issues, just let me know immediately. Okay. Okay. You have the chat window, right? Just drop a message. Okay.
సార్ మీ వాయిస్ చాలా స్పీడ్ గా ఉంది సార్, కొంచెం స్లోగా చెప్పండి సార్.
Yeah. Sure. Sure. Two or three more. Okay. Okay. Any other questions? Anyone? Anyone have any questions?
Good morning, sir.
Yeah.
Yeah, React.js లో projects explanation ఉంటుంది, project level real time project explanations.
Yeah.
Okay.
See, if you know the concept, okay, simple. If you know the concept, if you see any code which is related to React, you can easily understand. No one help is required to you. When if you know the concept. Okay, so we are going to cover all the concepts after this one. If you see any new, okay, any project, you can see the source code. Then the time you can easily understand.
Okay.
Got my point? Okay, so our main focus is like on concepts only.
Okay.
Sir, do I need to know JavaScript before learning React.js?
Yeah, as I said, our JavaScript and React, okay, class is going like parallel. Okay, it is not kind of once JavaScript everything is completed, after that start React. Not like that. Whenever the React concept is required some JavaScript knowledge, first we are going to cover the JavaScript and then move to React topic. Like that we are going to follow. Got the
Okay,
point?
sir. Okay, sir. Yes.
Yeah, daily, not day by day. Okay, once today we completed one session. Okay, for example, one example we completed. I asked you to the same example do by your own. Next day I'm going to give that source code. That is the process we are following. Yeah.
సార్ ఇప్పుడు మీరు E2E అప్లికేషన్ చెప్తానన్నారు కదా, ఆన్లైన్ టెక్స్ట్.
Yeah.
సో అది ఇంటర్వ్యూ లెవెల్ కి హెల్ప్ అవుతుందంటారా?
No, don't put that one. No, don't put that same application where it is just we completed within 15 hours. No real time project completed 15 hours, right? That's the reason this one.
Okay.
But the concepts would help you. Okay, we become a matter of 5 to 10 pages, but in real time project it may be 100 pages. That's the thing. Okay, but the concepts and everything, okay, we are following here also standards and everything same like real time application only.
Okay, fine. Thank you.
Yeah.
Do we get any notes at the end of the course?
Yeah, it's not a kind of end of the course. Okay, here the website is like always available. Okay, here each and every topic related content you can see here. Okay, in the website itself. Okay, just you can follow this one for once. For React also. Okay, you can see the content here. Okay.
Yeah, but this is a public website so that everyone can access. What about the class related website?
Class related programs I'm going to upload to you. Got my point? Content you can read from here. Okay, this is my own website. I think I will upload. Okay. Got my point?
Okay.
Yeah.
What about projects and all?
Projects and everything I will upload. Okay. You may not find here. Okay. You not find here. Just okay. I will upload. Okay.
Yes. And one more thing is like, React.js is booming now. So which is the backend framework we can learn?
Backend is recommended like web application development. Just go with the Java or .NET. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Python also nowadays people are using. Okay, but Python most of the times they're using in data science. Okay, yeah, machine learning in that area, most
And can
popular
you please
Python. But
explain
web
the
application,
difference between Angular and React in any of the class? Because I
yeah,
can
I
see.
will tell. Yeah, I will tell. Once you get some idea on the React, then the time you can compare it with others.
Okay,
Yeah.
thank you.
सर बैकएंड के लिए PHP यूज कर सकते हैं इसमें?
Yes, yes, yes. PHP is there, Node.js is there, small scale applications. People are using this. Okay, most popular web application development server side technologies like Java.net nowadays. Yes, Node.js is there, Salesforce is there, Python is there. Okay, yes, based on your requirement, you can use it. No problem at all.
Yeah, thank you.
Hello, sir. Can you explain with backend with Java?
In our course, not. Okay, that's a separate course, Java. It's not a kind of, okay, 10 classes, 20 classes we're not able to complete. Okay, it's a
Okay.
completely separate course, Java.
Okay.
Yeah.